back. I'm Pia Hingorani, a CJ reporter. My team partnered with CJ Jyotirmoy Chatterjee and the Chirag project to bring light into the lives of many villagers in a small village in Thane district. Here's the CJ report.
Hi, I'm Jyotirmoy Chatterjee, a student. However, today I'm here as a representative of SAIF HRC, which is undertaking this project, Project Chirag, a student initiative. This project aims at giving solar lighting to rural houses in India which have access to no kind of electricity. Our first step is what we call as an icebreaker. This is the registration counter where we'll now get the villagers registered. The registrations are done. Let's head for some action to Mokashi Kaka's house. To every rural household, we give one solar tube light, a battery box which powers these tube lights, solar panels, as well as one solar powered lantern. Now the cost of these equipments is Rs 3,650, but these villagers get it for a minimal Rs 500. The remaining amount is funded through corporate as well as student bodies. The wire from the solar panel goes into the battery, and as the sunlight falls on the panels, it charges the battery. The red light on the battery indicates active charging. A wire from the tube light is directly inserted into the battery box, which powers the tube light. The battery box has a switch that enables the tube light to be switched on and off. The solar panels, the battery box, and the solar tube light have all been connected now. It's time to check whether it actually works. आप लाइट चालू करेंगे? On a charge of 5 hours every day, the solar lantern runs for an approximate duration of 12 to 15 hours and the solar tube light for 10 to 12 hours. The villagers earlier used to use kerosene lanterns. This not only saves them the kerosene cost which they used to incur every month, but also is an eco-friendly technology. A day's hard work has come to an end. But let's understand from these villagers how it will impact their lives.
I used to shut down my shop earlier due to lack of electricity, but now because of solar lighting, I will be able to keep it open till late.
Now that we have solar lighting, my children will be able to focus on their studies.
So far, we have managed to light up 360 houses in a span of just 3 months. It's not about talking, it's about doing. It's not about problems, it's about solving them. And that's exactly what we are doing. And through our good work, we wish to light up the whole of rural India. To join us in this movement, please visit us at www.projectchirag.com. Jyotirmoy Chatterjee, citizen journalist, CNN IBN.
Join us in our efforts. Watch the show to see how you can be part of this campaign. You can contact us on Facebook, Twitter, or ibnlive.com/CJ. From the entire CJ team, thanks for watching.
Presented by NID.